6 and 7.5-inch chrome trim nail punch set helps deliver consistent results in precision trimming tasks and protect both trim materials and your finger from hammers. Goes where hammers can't reach. It has long nose, allows access to half-inch J channels. Nose made from hardened steel for direct power transfer to the nail. 7.5-inch trim nail punch has a built-in rubber retainer that secures nails so you can use it in any orientation. 6-inch comes with a hex collar to prevent rolling when set down. Driving up to 1.25-inch trim nails into soffit, fascia, and other finish trim without denting or marring the material. Not designed for smaller brad nails. Protect both your trim pieces and your hands. Get yours today.